Did the internet need another video on how to wash a car? And you want to know what products I use? Well, let's go over that. This is an unobsessed way of washing the car. This gentian blue metallic is popping. All right, guys, it's a beautiful morning here on the river. It's a great morning to wash the Porsche 911 Carrera T. I'm going to show you my methods. This is a non-bucket, I would call it a non-obsessed way. Now, I want to protect my car, of course. I don't want to scratch it and so forth. But I'm not one of these guys that go totally crazy. So, well, you might watch it and say, oh, well, that's even more detailed than what I do. I'm not sure, but I call it a non-obsessed way. I would love to hear your opinions on this method, what you think I'm doing right and what you think I'm doing wrong. But I've been washing it this way for years, washing my cars this way for years, and I don't get scratches on them. I don't tear them up, and it turns out great. Okay, here's the victim, and you want to know what products I use. Well, let's go over that. So I will snow foam this car 3 times during this car wash process. Normally, the first 2 times I like to use this product here from Griot's. This is a good second option, this Adams Mega Foam. It does well. On my first 2 applications, I'm just looking for maximum foam. On my final application, I'm looking for protection. And so I like to use this Ultra Shield car wash from Armor All. Yes, Armor All. Like I said, this is an unobsessed way to wash the car. These products are not the most expensive you will find in the market, but I found that they do a great job. Well, it'll make more sense as we go through it. Now, also to do this method, you need 2 spray foams. This one you can see I've already got filled. I will fill this second one in just a moment with the Armor All. Also, I installed this regular old pressure washer. This is not one that's necessarily supposed to be mounted to the wall, but I mounted it to the wall so I could take it off the wall and use it for other things instead of spending the money for one that's designed just for wall mount. And if I want to pressure wash the driveway or something like that, I literally just take it off the hooks and keep going. I don't have to have multiple pressure washers. All right, about ready to get started, but you want to know what type of cloths or do we use to wash the car? Again, not much. This is an unobsessed way of washing the car. For the tires and wheels specifically, just a couple of regular microfiber cotton. Doesn't really matter. Just don't want something that's rough and gonna scratch your wheels if they're painted or whatever. To actually wipe down the car, I use one of these. And to dry the car, just the regular old drying towel as they're designed for. And you can see I've got both of my foam cannons filled up and ready to go. Okay, well, we did the whole first step and thought we were filming, and we were not, of course. Doing this all by yourself, things like that happen. So let me go back over it again. First of all, obviously the first thing you want to do is wet down the car. Just a regular pressure washer. Use a white tip. I forget the degree of pressure it is, the number, but if you use the white one, you're fine. You, of course, do not want to come right up on the car. You don't want to damage your paint or your PPF, so stand back a little bit. You're just trying to get, basically trying to get it wet, okay? Now, speaking of PPF, just so you know, what I've had done to this car is the first front clip has been PPF from the front bumper to the A-pillar. and the rockers. That's it. And the whole car has been ceramic coated. So as you can see, it's already wet because again, I just did this and wasn't recording. But let me do it again real quick for you guys and we'll keep going. So we've got the whole car wet. The next step, of course, is to put the first coat of snow foam on it. While the snow foam is on it, I like to go ahead and clean the wheels and tires. Now this first coating of snow foam, we're just gonna let it set. We're not gonna wipe it. We're not going to do anything, but just let it set. And that foam will just get a lot of the loose dirt and grime off of it without you having to touch the car. Because the first time we touch the car with a surface of any kind, a washcloth, a rag, whatever, you want the car to be as clean as possible before you touch the car, so that way you're less likely to scratch it. So step one, wet the car with the pressure washer. Step two, cover it with snow foam. And while that snow foam is working and sitting on the car, I come behind it and go ahead and wash the tires, okay? Here we go. All right, the car has been sitting for a little while. The foam has been working. The tires and wheels are clean. Time to rinse. So we haven't touched it with a hand yet. And you can see that blue is already popping. Looks very nice. That's just from the first touchless snow foam application. If the sun was out, it's coming and going. It would pop even more. The next step is we cover the car again with the same snow foam, but this time we go over it by hand. We want to do this quickly because again, even though it's still morning, it's getting warm out here. The car is in the sun and clouds, but it's been warming up. So we want to move pretty quickly on this next step. Trying to hurry because the car is in the sun. We don't want this to sit in the sun too long with this soap on it. Let's get this soap off before it dries. So the car is looking fantastic, and most people would stop here. Again, we wet the car, we covered it with snow foam. While it was covered with snow foam and that snow foam was working without us touching it, we went ahead and cleaned the wheels and tires. You can see they're looking great. And then after we did that, we rinsed off the snow foam, came back with another coat of snow foam. Now that most of the loose dirt and grime had been just melted away, we'll say, we came back and covered it with snow foam and then wiped it down again, and it's looking great. We don't want this water to dry on it, of course. You can see it's beating up great. So here's the bonus step I do, and I mentioned this earlier, is I add this Armor All car wash plus ceramic to it. I just put it on there, I don't touch it. It's inexpensive, and man, it does a great job of preserving the ceramic coating that was professionally applied. So that's why I have two foam cannons, one for to make it super foamy, and that's what that Griots or Adams, and then the second one with this Armor All Ultra Shield Car Wash plus ceramic. We're going to apply that now. So here it is with after that Armor All has been applied, that Armor All plus ceramic car wash. We're not going to wipe it down. We're just going to let it settle, let it do its thing. Not too much in this sun, but yeah, let it do its work. We'll rinse it off, and then we're done except for the drying. We're all done with the washing. Now all we got to do is dry, and as most of you know, it dries better if the drying towel is wet first. It's weird, but that's the way it works. All right, I'm not sure how good this is gonna come across on this camera, but I tell you, this gentian blue metallic is popping, looks flawless, doesn't take much time. Hopefully it comes across on camera as beautifully as it does in person, but this color just looks fantastic. So what do you think of this process? Well, I think the results speak for themselves. The car looks fantastic. Did not take that long. The whole process takes about 20 minutes, depending on your setup, but the way I have it set up with two foam cannons, we covered it with foam a total of 3 times. One time before we even touched it with a washcloth, and then the last time we did not touch it with the washcloth. We sprayed it again with that Armor All plus ceramic and let it do its thing. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this process, what you would do different, what you agree with, what you disagree with. I would love to hear from you. Please like and subscribe. As always, thanks guys. Peace.